Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ambessa in Wild Rift. Ambessa is a formidable fighter, designed for sustained engagements and disrupting enemy lines. Your primary goal is to be a frontline presence, soaking up damage and creating opportunities for your team. Master her unique blend of crowd control and damage to dominate the battlefield. She thrives when diving into the heart of the fight, turning the tide with her powerful abilities and resilient nature. Ambessa's kit is built for impactful plays. Start engagements with Iron Will to close gaps and stun a key target, setting up easy follow-up. Immediately follow with Shield Bash for area damage and to slow nearby foes, controlling the fight's pace. Unleash Royal Decree in teamfights to empower your allies, granting them bonus attack damage and movement speed within its radius for 5 seconds, turning the tide of battle. For Ambessa, itemization focuses on durability and sustained damage. Begin with Black Cleaver for its 25 attack damage, 300 health and armor reduction, crucial for early skirmishes. Next, Sterac's Gauge is vital, offering a massive shield equal to 75% of your bonus health when low. For runes, Conqueror is your go-to, providing adaptive force that stacks up to 10 times, significantly boosting your damage in extended fights. In teamfights, Ambessa is a powerful initiator and disruptor. Use Iron Will to dive onto enemy carries, stunning them and creating an opening. Once engaged, position yourself strategically to peel for your own backline while simultaneously applying pressure to the enemy's frontline. Deploy Royal Decree to zone enemies, forcing them to reposition, and empower your allies, giving them a significant advantage in the ensuing chaos. Your presence dictates the flow of battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.